Hi guys, welcome back. So welcome to the Pineapple Squad. And why am I so happy? I'm happy because I am filming for you guys finally. I have my new background. Let me know how you guys like it. It's kind of on the Valentine's Day theme, which Valentine's Day is not yet, but you guys know what it is. But obviously I have my he is risen. I have no idea sign back there because Jesus cannot be left out of anything. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are not part of the Pineapple Squad, then join the family. I have a review for you guys today, and I actually have a comparison review on the Fenty foundation and on the Maybelline 24-hour, what is it? Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I don't even know what's called, to be honest, but I'll leave it down below. And I have a review on both, so I will leave it down below or put it up here somewhere so you guys can see it, because I did do a full review on both of these foundations. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop rambling so you guys could go check out the video. But subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bar so you guys will always be notified of my future videos. And that is it. I love you guys so much, and let's go into the tutorial. Alright guys, so we're gonna start, and I'm gonna apply the most expensive one on this side, and then I'm gonna apply the Maybelline one, which is like around $9 to $10. I'm gonna apply it on this side of my face, but first I'm gonna prime, and I'm gonna do it really quick, and I'm gonna use my Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine primer. So, like I said, I'm going to apply the most expensive one on this side, and then I'm going to apply the Maybelline one, which is $9 to $10 on this side. So, okay, so let's start with this one. And this is the Fenty one, which is really dirty. Alright, so I'm just going to apply. I think I should be good with one pump. Let's try 1.5 pumps. Alright, so I'm going to apply this one, and I'm actually just going to dab it like this. I'm going to use my Morphe M439 brush. Yes, this one. I feel like the Fenty one is going to be a little bit more orange. But the formula, oh my goodness, I feel like they have the same formula. It's crazy. Alright. Alright guys, so this is the Fenty one on this side. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the other one to the other side. And they both have a pump, which is amazing. I'm just going to apply this one. And this one is a little bit more moussier than the Fenty one. I just think how they look on the face, it's so similar, which is crazy. So yeah, the Fenty one is a little bit more yellow, but that's not a problem. I remember this is on my skin. I don't know how it's going to be on your skin, but they're completely so similar to me. It's crazy. I'm just going to clean the brush with the wet napkin, and then I'm going to clean it with a dry napkin. Both look like on my skin, and this is my first time trying them both at the same time, and they look so good. Like, oh my goodness, it's crazy because I love my Fenty, and if this one is literally the same as the Fenty one, then I don't see why pay $35 for Fenty when I could just get this one, which is really crazy. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in, just give me one moment so you guys can see it close up and how similar they are, and the color's not even that off. Like, what do you guys think? Let me just put my ring light more over here. There, the color's not even that off, which is really good. So this is how they look like close up, and guys, do you see a difference? Look at this. I don't know, it just looks so good to me. So let me just put you closer. Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back and I'll let you guys know how everything applied, how the concealer, powder, everything applied, to see if they're like similar when it comes to applying makeup, and then I will let you guys know. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is how my makeup turned out, and to be honest, I see no difference in my foundation. Like, it's literally even crazy to me. As both of them started to be my favorite foundations, I was like, wait, what is the difference of both of them? Like, there's absolutely no difference, and it's so crazy to me. Like, they're not sticky. Like, both of them are completely matte. They're not super matte that will make you dry or like emphasize your lines or anything. This doesn't emphasize my lines whatsoever. My pores look normal. Everything looks so good, and I love this foundation. Like, you guys can't even see the difference probably, but the Fenty one is a little bit darker. Not darker, but a little bit more on the yellow side. Oh, a little bit on like the orange side. But yeah, I have the Fenty one in 370, and then I have the Maybelline one in 320. So it's really good, and I'm so happy that I did this comparison for you guys, because I love finding dupes for you guys, because the more money you guys save, the better. And I really think you guys could save a lot of money with these foundations. Like, the Fenty one is amazing. If you want to buy it, go ahead. Like, you will invest in a very good foundation. But if you don't have the money for it, don't be sad or anything, because the Maybelline one, it's legit so good. And I am gonna let you guys know how it wears throughout the whole day. I am gonna wear it for like 9 more hours, so I will let you guys know because I'm going to work now. But yeah, this is the review that I have for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to join the Pineapple Squad and join my family. And yeah, this is the review that I had for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. God bless you. Bye.